What's up, everyone? This is Francesco Iantorno from Iantorno Marketing. I want to thank you for picking up this course. Before we do get started, though, I want to show you guys the tools that you'll need to get in order to follow along with me in the video. You're going to need to get an autoresponder, and I've worked out a special deal with GetResponse where you can get a 30-day free trial. So if you're looking at my screen right now, you can actually see. I'll show you exactly how to. I've actually made you guys a special training video on YouTube that you can check out, and it's a step-by-step how to set up your autoresponder in 5 minutes or less. So here's what you do. You're on the course page. You click on this page right here. This is the resources tab, excuse me, and then you click on this link right here, and wait for it to load. And you click on here. It'll take you to the page. Now, what you do is when you're on this page, click this link right here. You'll be able to get the tools that to be able to follow along with me in the video, and you get taken to a page like this, and then you can click on Join GetResponse for a free month's trial. So this is necessary to do before we get started with the course. And again, it is a free 30-day month trial. If you're thinking about doing anything online, you will need this service, any autoresponder service, but this is the best one out there. It's a free 30-day trial. You really cannot go wrong. So make sure to click on it'll look like this. Click the external tab, and then click on the how to set up an autoresponder in 5 minutes. Go to that video. You can start to watch it, and I'll mention the video. You have to click this link right here to get your tools to follow along in the video. You'll be able to set that up in 5 minutes or less, and then come back here and watch the rest of the course. Alright guys, so thank you again for picking up the course. I just did this example with one of my courses, but this applies to any of the courses that I have. They will always be in the external resources page. But again, thank you again for picking up the course. I'm excited to work with you, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.